Hello and welcome back. Today, Chic Spaces brings to you a modern 3 BHK fully furnished contemporary home. Hi, I'm Apeksha.
And hello, this is Amrit. This property is located in a community called United Avenues at Narsingi.
This is a staycation home that has been designed keeping in view the taste of the family.
The whole house has been done in the tones of greys and beiges. Black color has been used in the false ceiling roofs, the decor and the furnishing.
Greens have been added all over the house to bring in the calmness.
My favorite part of the house is the swing and the crockery unit.
And my favorite part of the house is the master bedroom wardrobe with a full dresser view.
What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space.
Thank you.